Hey guys, what's up? It's Jesse. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm installing an ARB twin air compressor using the Expedition Essential bedside compressor mount. Check it out. To make this the perfect setup at my tailgate, I also got the Expedition Essential Air Outlet Relocation Kit and Expedition Essentials ARB Twin Harness Extension. The harness comes with two plug-in connectors on both ends. This makes for a super easy plug-and-play install. The Air Outlet Relocation Kit comes with one hose and this quick connector and a bulkhead fitting to go through my deck. The compressor comes with two wiring harnesses. The bigger one here for the power and the black smaller one with the purple wire for the switch. I've already hooked up the two wiring harnesses that come with the air compressor, one to the battery and the other through my firewall to a switch. I also got the ARB pump up kit and the ARB manifold kit. I did have to get a manifold mount from Expedition Essential to make this possible. I've already routed the two wiring harnesses so they're ready to go to the bedside compressor mount. I wasn't able to get the rocker switch that came with the air compressor to work with my Tacoma, so I got a push switch from Amazon.
Yeah, but you're completely sideways. Go straight up.
All right, straight up from there?
Yeah.
Hold on. I don't want to be breaking anything.
Go up. Okay, up more. Up. The left side is like, I don't see the holes matching. I don't see the holes matching, Jesse. Push it over.
Over where?
Like this way. Okay, hold on.
And you got that one thing out?
What one thing out? The cord thing?
Well, you got that one washer plate in the front?
I don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
The plate, the washer.
I don't know.
Just do it by hand. How many are you putting in?
I put in two on the right side, but the left side's not aligned.
Alright.
Okay, this left side is, I guess it's aligned a little bit.
I got it now.
It's just not very close. There you go.
Thank you. Check it out. I got the ARB twin compressor installed with the Expedition Essential bedside compressor mount. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace!